Hi, everybody. We're here with Jennifer Geaber from RIBlogger. Hi, Jen. How you doing?
I'm great. How are you?
I'm good. What's going on in the state this week?
So we have the Horse-Eyed Men will host the House Show, a benefit for Habitat for Humanity, at the Columbus Theater on March 31st from 7 to 10 p.m. Habitat for Humanity Providence will be celebrating its 31st year with special guest performances, raffles, drinks, food, live music, inside stories from families who have built their homes with Habitat, and much more. So it's a great night out and obviously for a worthy cause. The 68th Annual Rhode Island Home Show will take place April 5th to the 8th at the Rhode Island Convention Center. Literally everything you need for the interior, exterior of your home in one location. The Rhode Island Spring Flower and Garden Show will cover your outdoor needs. There'll be an energy expo, design hubs, home decor, over 300 exhibits and seminars. Hours are April 5th, 12 to 9, the 6th, 12 to 9, the 7th, 10 to 9, and then the 8th, 10 to 5 p.m. It's only $10 for adults. Seniors are $8, and 15 under are free. And tickets are good for all 4 days. So if you're interested in all things home, definitely put that in your planner.
Can you get a ticket when you go there, or should you get one before?
You can get it when you go there, and you can also get them in advance. But
Gotcha. Thank you.
You're welcome. April 6th, save the date for Comedy Craft Beer Night at Foolproof Brewing Company from 7:30 to 9:30. You can enjoy Foolproof craft beer along with an evening of laughter. Tickets are only $20, and it includes one complimentary beer. Fork in the Road food truck will be on site with delicious food, so it's a great night of food, beer, and laughing. The Urban Container Gardening will be on April 7th from 11 to 12 p.m. at Roger Williams Park Botanical Center, which is just beautiful. With inexpensive containers and suitable soil, you can learn to mix and create an urban garden virtually anywhere. Rooftops, vacant city lots, fields, unused parking lots, or even if you just, want to start out and start, container gardens. The workshop is free, but pre-register 24 hours in advance by emailing bcinformation@providenceri.gov. It's just, great informative free event. And last but not least, the Super Fun Activities Club presents the 3rd annual adult Easter egg hunt at Goddard Memorial State Park from 1 to 3 p.m. You can play random games, collect eggs, and act like a kid again. The prizes are for adults, though, and there's limited tickets, so you can learn more about that at superfunactivitiesclub.com.
Oh, what's going on?